After each cutting job, the CNC table always retains leftover board sections that are surprisingly valuable. When used effectively, these offcuts can significantly reduce material waste. With Woodsoft, this process becomes exceptionally simple. The technician only needs to record the exact dimensions of each leftover board in an Excel file. That information is then embedded directly into the order's DXF file. No additional manual steps or complex handling. During the nesting process, Woodsoft automatically reads the saved offcut dimensions from the DXF. The system prioritizes placing parts onto these leftover boards first, much like an intelligent puzzle solver maximizing every available space. As a result, every reusable board area is fully exploited. The workshop reduces waste, saves material costs, and achieves a cutting workflow that is cleaner, smarter, and more practical. In addition, Woodsoft Optimizers automatically exports the dimensions of leftover boards after optimization. When a leftover board is large enough, the system will automatically cut a trimming line to make the board square. The dimensions of these trimmed leftover boards will be exported together with the nesting results, allowing users to easily copy them into the leftover board inventory file for reuse in future orders. Woodsoft Optimizers. Automated. Accurate. Seamless.